Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Have you ever restarted your iPhone and suddenly it gets stuck on the Apple logo and won't turn on normally? This can happen after an iOS update failure, storage issues, or a system crash during reboot. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to fix it and get your iPhone working normally again. First, force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the iPhone force restarts. Sometimes, a simple force restart is enough to fix temporary iOS glitches and get your iPhone back to normal. If that doesn't work, try using iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Then press volume up once, volume down once, and hold the power button a little longer until the iPhone enters recovery mode, just like when doing a force restart. Then open iTunes and it will detect that there's a problem with your iPhone. You can choose Update to reinstall iOS without deleting your data. However, this method doesn't always work for more serious system issues. If Update fails, you can choose Restore instead. But keep in mind that Restore will erase all data and reset your iPhone to factory settings. The third method is using ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a free iOS system repair tool that can fix common iPhone issues without deleting your data. The download link is in the description below. Here's how to use it. Connect your iPhone to the computer, then open ReiBoot. Your iPhone is now in recovery mode. Click Start Repair. Then choose Standard Repair. Next, download the firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. The repair process may take a few minutes, so just keep your device connected during the process. After the repair is finished, your iPhone should turn on normally again. All your photos, apps, messages, and other important data will still be safely stored on the device without being lost. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.